Many beginners create a Fiverr account but never get orders because they either create weak gigs or they don't understand how Fiverr works. So in today's video, I will show you step by step how to create a Fiverr data entry gig from scratch. We will cover everything: creating a Fiverr account, switching to seller mode, creating the gig, writing the title, adding keywords, pricing, thumbnail image, FAQ section, and finally publishing the gig. So let's start. Section 1, Sign up. First section is sign up. First go to fiverr.com, then click on the join button. Then pop-up window appears where you see different options. Continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with Facebook, or sign up using email. That's how you can create your account using email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. Section 2, Username Setup. Second section is username setup. Now Fiverr will ask for a username. Choose something professional because clients will see this username. For example, data entry expert, data pro expert, Excel helper, fast entry services, etc. Avoid using random usernames. Section 3, Switch to seller mode. Third section is switch to seller mode. After choosing username, click on create my account. Now here you will see two tabs. I am a client, I am a freelancer. Now here you see two tabs. I am a client, I am a freelancer. I am a client, you can read I want to order freelance services. And I am a freelancer, I am looking to offer my services. So here we are looking to offer our services. So we are going to click on we are going to check that I am a freelancer and say next. Section 4, Seller Profile Setup. Section 4 is Seller Profile Setup. Now Fiverr will ask you to complete your seller profile. Here you see two options. One Fiverr recommend and other one is manual option. If you click on the recommend option, here you see you can use your LinkedIn profile to fill this option, and other one you have to fill manually. Here in manual, this one you have to say there is about section, skills and expertise, work experience, education and certifications. So you have to fill these all options. For your profile photo, use a clear and professional image. For your description, keep it simple. For example, reliable data entry freelancer skilled in Excel, Google Sheets, typing, copy paste work, and web research. Do not copy long, complicated bios from other people. After you upload your photo and fill all your information, click on continue. Now Fiverr is asking you, are you a part of a team? If you are part of a team, say yes here. If you are not, click on the no, I work independently. Here we are working on independent Fiverr account, so we are going to click on no, I work independently, and then click on continue. Here Fiverr is asking you, If you have portfolio or website, you can share it here. And after you, if you have anything, you can share it here and then click on continue. Section 5, create a new gig. Section 5, create a new gig. Now let's create a actual gig. See here, gray button, create a gig. We have to click on that. This page is saying it's official. You are Fiverr's newest freelancer. Now we have to create a gig. We have to click on this gray button. Most beginners make mistakes in this section, so pay attention carefully. So let's click on this button. It is after you click the button, you are going to move on to the next section. Section 6 is gig title. Section 6 is gig title. Now we are here on this page. You can see complete different steps. Complete trust and safety training, which is optional. And second option is create and publish your first gig. Here is the create a gig button. So we are going to click on it. After this, you are going to go on the next page where you see a gig title. Here we have to type accurate gig title which should contain searchable keywords. Let's see. I will do accurate data entry and Google Sheets and Excel work. There are different. I will suggest you many more titles like I will do copy paste typing and web research. I will convert PDF to Excel or Word. That kind of things. Okay, so these all names or titles are searchable keywords. Now we have to select the category here. So there are different categories: graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, data, business, personal growth and hobbies, photography, finance, and end-to-end projects. So we are going to click on data. Now select a subcategory. So there are different types of subcategories like data governance and protection, data scraping, data labeling and annotation, data formatting, databases, data cleaning, data enrichment, data processing, data engineering, data analytics, data visualization, data science and ML, data entry. So we are going to search on data entry. This helps Fiverr understand what type of services you provide. Now here is service type. Let Here are different things: web research, copy paste, data typing. Whatever is expertise, click on that. Let's say web research. Then which industry you can do it? There are different options. If you uh, your service type is copy paste, Then there is again different industries. If you are saying data typing, then there are again there then there is no industries. So that's how you choose your service type, whatever your expertise is, and then say save and continue. We forgot to add tags, so we are adding them. Let's see, we add the tag data entry. Then we have to hit enter, and then we have to say save and continue, and the changes saved. Now we are on the pricing page. Section 7 is pricing section. Next section is pricing section. Now let's set up pricing. There are different packages: basic, standard and premium. We are going to focus on basic package because we are still beginners. So keep the pricing simple. For example, small data entry task, 1 day delivery. See, here delivery time. Name of your package, small data entry tasks. Small data entry task. Delivery time, 1 day delivery. And the pricing should be beginner pricing. Here, package prices should include predefined options at minimum $20. So, minimum $20. So, our price should be minimum $20. And if you are using or offering extra services, you can charge for additional work. Here are the other options, because in the beginning getting reviews is more important than charging high prices. Section 8 is gig description. After done pricing, we are going to save and continue, and we are going to come on the page of the description. Here we are going to write down brief description of our gig. Now let's write the description of the gig. Are you looking for fast and accurate data entry services? I can help with Excel, Google Sheets, copy paste, typing, and web research. Why choose me? Fast delivery, accurate work, and friendly communication. Here, your English does not need to be perfect. Your description should simply be clear and easy to understand. After done the description of your gig, we are going to move on to the FAQ section. For that, you have to scroll down and you can see frequently asked questions section. Here, add questions and answers for your buyers. So, let me show you. We are going to add a question. Can you do urgent work? Answer: yes. I do urgent work. And then say add. That's how you add the question, frequently asked questions. And after you're done doing that, you are going to click on save and continue. Then you reach a page where there are optional questions by Fiverr, which will be added for all buyers. And when you scroll down, you have to add at least one requirement. Add new question. For example, what are your what are the guidelines of the work? Say add and then save and continue. And then it will take you to the showcase your services in Gig Gallery. Here you have to show the thumbnail pictures or up to 3 images and only one video and 2 documents which is in PDF format. After you done that, you can say save and continue. But before I just did the save and continue, but it is saying please select at least one image. Section 9 is publish the gig. We are almost there. But before publishing your gig, you need to give your some information to the Fiverr. Your tax information, your identity verification, and your phone number for the phone verification. All that is done, then Fiverr will publish your gig. After you give all the necessary information and save the changes, it will take you to the final review page where you review everything nicely and then click publish. And then congratulations, your Fiverr gig is now live. Now let's talk about getting your first Fiverr order. Many beginners panic when they don't get orders immediately. That is normal. Please stay active, reply quickly, improve thumbnail over time, share your gig on LinkedIn or social media, and start with simple services. Sometimes the first order takes days or even weeks. So that's how you can create a Fiverr data entry gig step by step as a beginner. If this video helped you, subscribe for more freelancing, remote work and online earning tutorials. And comment below what Fiverr services are you planning to start.